Hi everyone, today I am making veg chickpea fried rice. For that, take chickpea and crush it. Now heat oil in a pan, saute onion, now add garlic, chilli, carrot, chickpea, broccoli, capsicums and saute it for a while. Do not overcook the veggies. It has to be crunchy and has to hold its shape. Now add boiled rice, add soy sauce, pepper, salt, vinegar and mix it slowly and carefully so rice doesn't break out. Always put soy sauce on the top of the rice so the veggies color do not get changes. Now add spring onions, sesame seeds. Enjoy the fried rice. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out any of my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.